How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today is going to be a little bit different video. I'm going to basically just be doing a POV driving video, not really talking that much, so I'll try to keep this intro somewhat short. Now, I know, again, if you've been subscribed to my channel, I've already done this type of video previously, about like a couple months back, I think. So this video is pretty much just going to be the same exact thing. If you haven't checked that one out, I'll definitely leave a link to that video at the top of this video right now. But pretty much what this video is going to be, it's just going to be me like driving. I'm gonna put the GoPro on my head and just driving through some of the roads here at Round Valley Reservoir. It's very cold, so I'm not really going to be like driving too fast or anything. And I mean, besides the point, this is a bone stock V6 Mustang, so it's definitely not even like a fast car. I'm not really doing this to try to prove that it's fast or anything like that. I'm really just doing it if you have a V6 Mustang from 2005 to 2009, or you're looking to buy one. This way you kind of like see how, I guess, the cockpit looks on the inside and what it actually looks like while driving. Now, I know I did say that this is bone stock, but the only real modification that I actually did that matters to it is the upgraded, I believe, Z28 or Z23 brakes. They're pretty much drilled and slotted rotors, the same dimension as the factory size, and also the overall kit does come with carbon ceramic brake pads as well. So that is one thing that I definitely do recommend any 08 to 09 V6 Mustang or just Mustang GT owner get, because it's such an upgrade from the factory brakes. But again, that's pretty much it. That's the only thing that's really going to, I guess, affect the driving experience that I've done to this car. All the other stuff is just like cosmetic crap. So now I'm gonna hook up the GoPro to my head and go through some of the roads here at Round Valley. All right, guys, so right now I'm at the boat launch, like the boat ramp or one of them. I know there's a road right there that like goes across and there's like a bridge, but it looks like they're actually doing construction. So I'm going to leave the boat ramp and we're gonna go right there and see if that road's actually closed, because if that is, that kind of sucks. All right, so yeah, that road is closed, and unfortunately, like, that's probably the most scenic road that goes around this reservoir, which, yeah, that kind of does suck. But there's still a bunch of like plenty good roads like in this park. Slowing a little bit up here because I don't know like what's over this hill. All right, so the actual like official park entrance is up here, so I'm gonna go in here and see what roads that they have in here. But I do know you have to go slow in here, but I also know that some of the roads could be a little bit more secluded. Also some ice on the roads, so I definitely want to be careful, because I'm pretty sure it snowed here a couple days ago or like last week. Obviously most of it is melted already. And yeah, there's a dead end up here. So this video is definitely not going according to plan, because most of these roads I do have to kind of take it easy because we're in the park. And the one road that I kind of wanted to really go on the most is actually closed right now due to construction, which definitely sucks. But that road's actually awesome because it goes right alongside the reservoir, and there's actually even a bridge that goes over part of the reservoir. And also these roads are not entirely like in the best shape, so there's a lot of potholes, or not a lot, but a decent amount of potholes. And with the live rear axle that come in these S197 Mustangs, it's not really that much fun. It would be much more enjoyable if this was a, I guess, S550 and it had the independent rear suspension, because bumps in this car, it just like, you can almost actually feel like the rear kind of just like hopping around when it goes over these bumps. And also, I do apologize, I know my windshield is pretty dirty. All right, I'm actually going to go left here and go down this county road, because I know that way takes you back out to the highway. In case you aren't subscribed to my channel and you don't already know, again, this is pretty much a bone stock V6 Mustang. Besides, I mentioned the brakes before, and also this does have a the Pipes mid muffler dual exhaust, Capac exhaust. So it's pretty much stock exhaust manifold to stock catalytic converters, and then after that it's actually the Pipe X pipe with M80 mufflers, like mid mufflers, and then a straight 2.5 inch exhaust pipe all the way back that goes out to a dual exit. And I'll actually probably leave a link to that video. It's actually the first video that I ever made, was the installation on that exhaust. And I don't know if you guys can actually tell, but I'll roll the windows down, but I don't know if you're gonna get too much wind, but I'll try to hopefully pick up some exhaust noise. Definitely able to pick up a decent amount of speed going down that hill right there. And again, I'm not really making this video to like show off or anything, because a stock V6 Mustang is nothing to really show off about. But I'm making this video more because I did a previous like POV driving video, and it got a couple like positive comments of people who just liked the video and people who are like interested in buying an 05 to 09 V6 Mustang. And there was even one person, I forgot his name, I'll probably edit in the comment right now, but he said like the POV driving video was like basically like his last little bit of motivation to actually go out and buy an 05 to 09 Mustang. So now I'm going to head back, stay on this county road, and then I guess actually just finish the video by going out all the way to the highway out there. And also, again, if you want more information specifically on my car, definitely go check out the review I did on it. I'm trying not to talk a lot in this video, just so it's like pure just driving footage. that's pretty much going to be it for today's video. Again, a shorter video. I know I didn't talk a lot. Really didn't want to talk a lot, just kind of wanted to make another one of these POV driving videos. Number one, because it's fun to actually film. And number two, because again, a few people did comment on the last one, and I assumed maybe you guys wanted another like kind of POV driving video. Unfortunately, again, it really sucks that they were doing construction on that road. Round Valley is a beautiful road.